Hello, this is Olga Zinavyeva, and let me show you how to use the virtual classroom. You see, I am in my account, in my page, in my topic. Well, I chose the activity called Big Blue Button, which opens a virtual classroom. As you remember, in my previous video, I already opened and added it, and here it is. What will happen if I press on it? Let's see. The conference room is ready. Join session. And the conference room will be open. Let's wait. There is a citation, a quotation. So I am offered to enter the audio conference with microphone or only listening. Let's choose microphone so that I'm able to speak as well. They offer me to test in my language. I choose yes.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
So I'm the only person in this conference, but probably if there were more participants, their list would appear here. And we will be able to record our conference. You see that it's free. There are video tutorials that you can watch in order to understand how to use this or that feature. Well, so I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye.